Welcome aboard, folks! I'm Bob, and today I'm thrilled to give you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Boeing, where we aim beyond the sky. Let's explore our top priorities: safety, innovation, and of course, profits. I mean people, not profits, people. oh. Cut away! Cut! Shit! Cut! Cut away! Cut it now! Cut away! And it's all thanks to our dedicated team working tirelessly to ensure every component fits. Well, almost fits perfectly. Meet Gary, one of our hard-working engineers. Gary and his friends here have helped build our planes, and being such good little workers, they have also raised some boilerplate safety concerns. You know, like, oh, the doors are falling off. However, those raised safety concerns means that for our shareholders, unfortunately, that Boeing's profits are going to take a sharp nosedive. And you know, kids, what is a company if it ain't profitable? Well, it's just not a company we can afford to have, right? So remember, next time you're traveling, maybe don't get into one of our airplanes. I mean, I don't think they're safe.